Just imagine, say, that pilot yesterday, na Igbo woman, or na Igbo man can't do that kind of thing. The thing we go, they happen now for our country, everywhere. They forsake na Peter Obi send themselves. Just imagine. The country is so lawless, and we are now, people we see now are the arrogant people. Arrogant. No, you don't know who I am. Who are you? Who are you, God? Even Mr. Wasiu Ayinde, even your little children, the little brother, they don't go buy private jets. You can't see Wizkid entering public place. You can't see Davido entering value jets. They don't go buy their own private jets. Why can't you just buy your own? If you know perfect if a man food flags bench, as maybe they feed picking inside play, you go buy your own private jet. Yeah, come on. And you see how lawless our country is. Up till now, police, they haven't make any single statement. Can that happen abroad and there is no statement from police? Do you know today alone they've kidnapped a lot of people in Kogi State? Yesterday I posted the ones of Safara. Kidnapping now is going on. And the only thing police can be busy with now is to arrest Showore that is fighting for them. The only thing you've been hearing from police now is Showore torturing the guy inside cell, allegedly. That's all we hear now. The country has gone so lawless that is now on ground zero. Nigeria don't enter ground zero. In lawlessness now is next to none. Is everybody is just doing anyhow. No more country. Everybody is just doing jaga. How did we get here? A country that does not have law or follow his own law. Come on, what is left? And see police, no police. The same $43 a month police, 90K a month. 90K a month. How much is food? To buy food in Nigeria now, you will spend 3K for lunch. Does that mean they no go eat dinner? So we are just on God. That's why you see people in mosque and churches praying right now, because their only hope now is to pray. No more law, no more love. Everything has gone lawless. There was a country. Bele.